Hey guys, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I have the pleasure of showing you this new arrival. It's a 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX Surf. It's one of the first boats we've had in for this model year. This boat is in the full quantum blue hull side. It's on the white tower with the quantum blue panels to match. This one is also paired with the custom fit, custom size, custom spec boatmate trailer. They make some of the best trailers in the game, and it's an awesome pairing for this boat. Let's hop aboard and check out some of the interior features. This is the newest model from Sea Ray that comes equipped with the new Bravo 4S forward-facing drive right here. This is a true no compromise setup on this boat. It allows you to surf with ease, but also allows you to cruise just like it was a stern drive boat. We've also got our surf tabs down here, which can double as trim tabs to help you level out the boat when you're underway. Another neat feature back here at the transom is the surf models come standard with this flip out platform here, which deploys fully with your drive down. We've also got a 4-step telescoping ladder here that comes out super easily. Pop out this here and comes all the way down. All right, welcome aboard this 250 SDX. First thing you're gonna notice is the dune interior on this model. A couple notable things out on the back side of the boat before we hop inside. We've got a transom sprayer over here on your port side. We've got a Fusion remote for your stereo system, cup holders, USB charger, and then you'll also see this boat has the flag pre-installed. Coming in this way, you're gonna see it got a nice storage area right here under your walk-through. Got a block-off door as well. And then you've got a trim switch over here to trim your drive down for your in-water platform. Follow me inside the boat. Something neat here on this sun pad is this is a convertible sun pad. So flip your headrest down to get a nice layout, or flatten it just like that. Coming further inside, we've done the sea deck flooring on this boat, which is an awesome option. We've also done it with the teak tables. We've got this one installed. We've also got one at the bow. This particular boat, like I mentioned outside, has the white powder-coated water sports tower that is power folding. We've also done the Fusion tower speakers on this boat. So it's got some killer audio, especially for those out back surfing. One of the highlight features of the SDX series is the entertainment zone here. These seats flip both forward and aft, so you can enjoy your time here with the whole family in the back of the boat, and then easily flip them forward for when it's time to get underway. We've got wireless chargers, both port and starboard for your guests, as well as plenty of stainless steel cup holders in there as well. Got an insulated cooler box in here. Got some of our items in there right now. And you're also gonna have some super deep storage here on the port side. Some of the deepest storage I've seen available on a surf boat. This boat's also got the cockpit heater option, so it allows you to stay warm throughout the winter, extend that season that much more. Let's come over here to the helm. I'm gonna flip up our bolster here. This boat's gonna come with the twin Simrad NSX screens, mapping, depth finder, all that kind of stuff. You've also got a dedicated surf control that allows you to manipulate your waves, set presets, and it's super intuitive and easy to use. We've also got some manual controls for your trim tabs here, so you can use these when you're not surfing to keep the boat nice and level. We've got a USB charger here as well for the captain's chair, and a wireless charger down under your throttle, which is at a really nice position, very comfortable to drive. Another thing up here on the port side is going to be your Fusion audio head unit. So great for your passengers to control. We've also got some controls in your screens on the driver's side. We've got a small glove box in here as well. One of the nicest features on this new series of SDX boats is the offset head compartment. Got this 2-step door here. See, we've got our bow filler cushion in there on top of our padding. This boat has a sink, a vacuum flush head, and a trash can down below. It's a great place to store some items if you're not going to use it as a head. Closes up nice and easily. Coming further forward here through the windshield, we do have a block-off door that can be combined with your windshield to give you a little bit more of an isolated experience on the back half of the boat. We've also got storage for your tables in here and your table bases. All the way up here, like I mentioned before, we do have another table that mounts right here, or that bow filler cushion. It's a very deep and inviting place to be. We've got plenty of stainless steel cup holders, USB chargers, and a great layout up here to entertain. Last but not least, up here at the bow, we've got dedicated anchor storage under your bow boarding ladder. So you've got two functions out of this front hatch. Allows you to get on and off the boat with ease and grab your anchor. That's been a quick overview of this 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX Surf. If you like what you saw, come stop by our showroom and we'll be happy to show you more. Thanks for watching.